We're doing the Sprite challenge.
I'm not doing it. I'm just watching him.
These have like what makes it fizzy in it. Let's see if I can do it
Without burping.
1 cup. It hurts. It hurts.
It hurts. Don't burp, Flynn. You'll be like the third person not to do it. Keep it down, but don't let it come out the other end. Don't do that! You burped it up there! Are you still hurting?
No?
I did it! I think we actually need Sprite. Ow.
Yeah.
We're gonna actually try with like an actual fizzy water.
I don't have any fizzy. Well, I have fizzy water. That's what I just drank. Okay, bye-bye.